Breathe life into your images with Hedra AI.
Tired of static images? Put your text here.
Ever wished your favorite painting could tell its story?
Or that a historical figure could come alive and share their experiences?
Static images are great, but they can feel, well, static.
Give me blood and I shall give you freedom.
Introducing Hedra AI, the revolutionary tool that breathes life into your images.
With Hedra AI, it's simple.
You can use your Google account to log in to Hedra AI, a program with a simple interface. That lets you bring pictures to life in just 3 easy steps. Select a front-facing portrait. In the leftmost section, users input text and select a voice. The character in the picture will then speak these lines using the chosen voice. Hedra offers options of 3 male and 3 female voices. Text here. Once settings are finalized, click Generate Video and wait a few minutes for Hedra to bring your picture to life.
Welcome to Prompt Infotech. We're your one-stop shop for exploring the latest and greatest Windows apps.
You can also create image from prompt.
I hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thanks for watching.